Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I mix my substrate for my terrariums. The regular potting soil is not recommended for use inside a terrarium. If you want a long-term success for your terrarium, then I suggest that you prepare the soil the way I'm going to show you today. So let's do that. So this is where I'm going to mix my soil, and first things first, I'm going to add some cocoa peat. So first I'm going to take 2 parts of cocoa peat. So I think that's around 3/4, and probably a little more. That will make approximately 2 parts. And then I'm going to add some moss. This is dried fern moss, so I'm going to add 1 part of dried fern moss. I can just break them apart a little bit so that they are not in long strands. Mix it up with the cocoa peat. I'm going to add one part of pine bark. They also sell it as orchid bark, I think. The last thing that we need is some sand. You could use regular river sand. Here I'm using this is not really a sand, this is more like a finely ground gravel, and this does very well in the potting mix. So I'm going to add this and mix everything up thoroughly. Sometimes it's good to just use your hands to get a consistency. And your potting mix for a terrarium is ready.